Hey guys, so I'm just leaving my open house at my $8 million listing here in Paradise Valley. Um, One of the first guys that came in actually had a house that he's renovating in Paradise Valley. It's actually on 2 acres, which is a pretty big lot here. And he doesn't want to renovate anymore. He's kind of started, he's living in the guest house right now. His home was actually owned by Randy Johnson, who was a big baseball player here in town. So he's a single guy, he's a doctor. The house is 13,000 square feet. So Mike, who I work with, who actually is part owner in this house, was just happened to be here as well. So one of the things that I suggested to him is that our builder here loves to renovate any house. So I said, hey, why don't we take your house and you buy this house? Guy certainly doesn't need 13,000 square feet and certainly does not want to do the renovation. So it could be a great swap, because at 13,000 square feet, and they're going probably for about, let's just say $1,200 a foot, that's a good $15 million house. And I think we could probably get it at a good price, because it is, I think it's already torn up, and it has an 8-car garage, which no one around here has an 8-car garage. Very, very rare. And being in Barrett Jackson land, very like one of those, a lot of garage space shows up on a house and have a beautiful house attached. Trust me, that will sell. So next week we're gonna meet, we're gonna go through his house, and maybe we can make this swap. So open house successful, could get the sale on this house plus the buy on the other house, and to sell his house when we renovate it and make it a $15 million house. So stay tuned, I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.